In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in Google Sheets. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet and wondered who changed a cell, when it happened, or what it used to say, you don't have to guess. Google Sheets gives you two quick ways to see exactly what happened, whether you're reviewing a single cell or the entire file. Let's start with a targeted check on one specific spot. If you only need to verify a single value or formula, right-click the cell and choose Show Edit History. A small panel will pop up showing you what was there before, who changed it, and the exact time of the change. Use the arrows in that panel to move backward or forward through older edits for that cell. This is perfect when you notice a number that looks off, or if a formula suddenly behaves differently and you want to confirm when it was modified. It's quick, it's precise, and it keeps you focused on just the cell you care about. Now, if you want the big picture across the entire spreadsheet, open the full version history. Go to File, then Version History. This opens a timeline where you can click through different dates and times to see how the entire sheet looked at any point. You'll get a snapshot of the whole file, and you can click around to explore specific sheets and ranges. Often, changes are color-coded by editor, which makes it easier to see who altered what at a glance. This is especially helpful for team projects, month-end reports, or anytime multiple people have been editing and you want to compare today's sheet with last week's. Accidentally deleted something important? Version history doubles as a safety net. Find the version from the date you trust, say yesterday, and click Restore this version. That brings the entire file back to how it was then, like a giant undo for your whole project. Don't worry about losing your present work completely. The current state is saved as a version 2, so you can always switch back if needed. Use the cell level history for quick spot checks and the file level version history when you need a full rewind. Together, they make it easy to audit changes, recover lost content, and collaborate with confidence. Stop worrying about mistakes and start tracking. Follow for more Google Sheets basics.